Hey guys, so to Define Agile, I'm Anatoly as always, and we are talking about Agile tools. We're talking everything Agile, and today we're going to talk about pretty interesting thing. I actually have learned about it very recently, and it's how to reopen a sprint. Before we do that, two things. If you want to guys learn JIRA from basic to advanced in about 1 day, I have a course that will help you out. So go to Get My Help section in description and get it because it's very valuable, it's very affordable, and it's for you if you want to learn JIRA very, very fast. Second thing is, if you are stuck and you want somebody to help you out, to set up JIRA for you, to help you with Agile or anything like that, go to Get My Help section. There's a calendar link. You can schedule your time in our calendar, and me and my team will help you out. Now, since we're done with those things, let's get to the meat of this video, which is how do you reopen a sprint? Let's talk about what would be the use case to reopening sprints. Because I personally did JIRA for many, many years and I never reopened a sprint. But I would see the one of the examples would be I'm a new here and I complete a sprint before I should have. And my team is like, oh, well, we still have time left. Why did you click complete? And you're like, oh, shit, I did not know that I didn't supposed to complete it. And then you can go and you can reopen it. So it's back in place. So this is one use case I see. If you guys know more use cases, please put them in the comments down below because I'm really curious what will be other use cases to reopening a sprint. But I'll show you how to do it. To do it, you go. You should have a complete sprint already. So you should have Word and you should have sprint completed. Then go to reports. Go to sprint report. Here's my completed sprint. There are two stories, first story and second story. Names are very descriptive. And then you can click on three dots here. Let's say you want to reopen it. You click reopen sprint. You'll see two issue will be moved back to a sprint you're reopening. We click reopen. And here we are. We're back to the sprint. So if there was stories in progress, they'll be in progress here. If was stories done, they're done here. So you see, we just reopened the exact same sprint. So it's right there. And now you can finish your stories that are, let's say, are in progress. Something is in progress, you can finish it up and then treat it as the sprint is open again. So this is how you can reopen sprint. It's pretty cool. I did not know you can do that, but now I do. Thankfully, this video as well, I did some research and hopefully helpful. If you find it helpful, please either comment or like, and please subscribe because this is how we share this video to more and more people, make it more available and spreading the love. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.